Dyna Ekwueme dey regret going Saudi Arabia. Yeah, she dey regret. Without be to me, saying all over her. Oh, sorry, sis. Sorry. I'm here. Last night I did live stream. We say reactor. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Today, the first time I'm coming across my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate every one of you. Please join this beautiful family. Okay, we dey here. Those who ask about me, I really do appreciate every one of you. Thank you. I'm loyal. Yes, this our beautiful sister Dyna Ekwueme. Please, guys, watch this video before you drop your own opinion. She come out yesterday night. She do live stream. Yes, she do live stream about Japa syndrome. People they come up for Nigeria. You know, she just they talk her own point. She just talk her own mind. You know, for this period now, everybody they talk. But what did she still talk? Say nothing like home, and that is true. She mentioned about Flo. Yes, the lady she dey cook. She get a YouTube channel. Say as she don't even make money rich, she still go Nigeria go build house. You know, she go build house every December. She always carry her children come home because that is her own motherland. You know, we just dey here to make money now because of our country. It is the hard now make us the common for that country. Yes, wetin this our sister the live stream when she redo yesterday, some things I pick up for inside. Yes, some things I pick up when some are not see to really make anything to me. Yes, for my own, no, I don't know for your own if you did there. Yes, the one when I really still pick for inside, may I first talk that part. When he talk say some people they talk say that they leave Nigeria because of their children. Say he said what they will say and that they leave the Nigeria because of children. Me una pardon me, my child just I be mommy today na Sunday. You know, he say na that one and she not understand when people will say people that they leave the country because of children. She said if you they do well and your salary they do well, or they do your business well, you go look for better school for Nigeria. Put your children. Say your children go they do well. He said to relocate with children. Say they affect children. That one are true. Language barrier. Maybe you call relocate come people like us for this side now, France. You know, the language barrier. But if you locate, go like place like UK. You know, your children they are schoolmates, they are classmates. Like my daughter and her, which they want to tell her and say one locate come for this state. We say, mommy, no. You know, because she think about her friend. It they really affect children. That one are true. It they affect children. Because they will come restart again to they see new faces, to try to they used to the people they see for the class, for the school, the teachers. It they really affect children. That one are true. Wait till our sister Dyna Ekwueme talk. Say maybe people know they locate, they will say because of children. Yeah, for the other side, my beautiful sister Dyna Ekwueme, some people feel say now because of children. They will look and say, okay, if they locate and their children go school for that side, say opportunity go there for them. Yes, some people they are like that. I can testify for like that one. They will say, yes, they locate now. If they reach there, their children come school, they can't reach. But we pray one day make our country better. But when it don't one with the hope, it don't one with the hope for that one. Say one day our country go better. When with God all things are possible. May we never give up. You know. Now that make many people they say if they japa because of children, because they will think of tomorrow future. Say once their children, what if they spend all the money take train the pikin for school finish for Africa now at the end no work. Yes, like my junior brother now don't finish school, no work. No work, no be papa trainer, no be mama trainer, na siblings trainer, but no work now. You see, imagine that money we gather and we use and bring and come abroad. Now something like that, now parents they try to think of. I don't know if you come across this my video. Now something like that, now people they try to talk say, I leave the country because of my children. Imagine that money we save and we use and carry my brother come out for Nigeria. It use and carry and go Australia or any place or Canada or Saudi when you there, so or Dubai. You know, at least if they work. But now they don't finish school. How many of our graduates now don't finish school for Nigeria now? No work, nothing. Children will come start again. Like this country where me there now, France. Begin when finish school, when not get work. Government go the cater for her. Government go dey pay am like as our copper youth when they go dey serve. Government go dey pay the small money. They for still continue am like that till the children find job. No be just say 1 year after they will just abandon them. Abeg, we when we still get our social media, make we see dey use am dey talk for our people. They will just abandon people children. Then people children go dey find themselves for different things. Now many people they say that they jackpot because of their family children. I hope that part is clear for my beautiful sister Dyna Ekwueme. Yes. And secondly, she still talk and say, if you are doing well, no jackpot, no sell your property. That is true too. Abroad no deserve, they no want to sell property for. We where we dey inside, I can testify. It no easy, my beautiful people, my people. Abroad no easy. They no deserve to sell your property. What if you can't sell your property, they can't deport you? What if you can't sell your property, you can't reach here? The coal, the suffer, the coal self, you fair give you door to over dey active, to over get up, to over do things. Because our body no be coal. So they give you energy to feel move. Yes. Our son, it don't they used to ox. I don't know whether my people understand though. But now because of say no hope, now many people like us we jackpot come up for Nigeria. But if you are doing well, no sell your property to come up for your country, come abroad. They your country, nothing like home, nothing past your own home. Your home is your home. Nothing sweet past home. And the other of our sister, my colleague, I be my when we gather they the same country. When she say she na 32 years, saying she now 15 years when she don't dey France now. I understand you, my beautiful sister. Person like you, I'm not just saying a professional work now carry you come. Dyna Ekwueme, they talk about those who get professional work, those who get business. No be people when jackpot with open eye, where belle carry us go, we go there. No be people like that. Dyna Ekwueme, they talk. Dyna Ekwueme, they talk. May una pardon my children noise. Dyna Ekwueme, they talk about profession people. Profession people. Now Dyna Ekwueme, they talk about. No people like you, people like us. Yes, I know why they say people like us. You understand? Yes, you can jackpot where belle carry many people. Nigeria and a different category of human being. Some people they get money, no go sell your property, say you want to use a jackpot. Some people they get good job, no go resign work because you want jackpot. But people like we know how we dey, you know, they read, we try to make hands meet, you know. People like that they talk. Yes. If you are doing well your country, stay in your country. Like her husband, Jackpot was his last Jackpot be next door. That is why the Jackpot, you see, your husband and doctor, there no hope, no where to wear again, but Jackpot now be their nest. Then the Jackpot, make sure say na Jackpot and try to do your research. Now wetin Dyna Ekwueme talk and your own means to understand that. My neighbor, my France, I understand that because you say you don't stay France for 15 years. But me and you know say France not easy. Many people they outside, they call 115. They'll wake up in the morning, they'll push them outside. Till evening, they'll see put them inside room, they'll see sleep. Europe not easy. Europe not easy. And you when you come across this my video, say Europe not easy, come home. If I come home, you'll give me house. You'll give me money to start up a something business. Europe not easy, no. Europe not easy at all. You understand? It's not easy. Before you come, double think. But if you go, not go, come, not come, no problem. Come face the reality. Come face the struggle. But if you are doing well, stay in your country, nothing like home. I hope that one is clear. And my beautiful sister Dyna Ekwueme, say how many of us they stay city, capital city. Me, I don't want to stay capital city. If you be person when you just start life, I don't advise you to stay capital city. The people even get the country, don't they stay capital city, they stay outside capital city. As you stay inside, like as you stay like place like Paris. Now, if you stay inside Paris, then you go they say work. Then you go they face the payment, the bill. But if you stay outskirts of Paris, then work go they hard. Then the bill will still reduce. Why we they stay scared of Paris now? Because of children. One, ask me why. If you want talk about no place when bad or good no dey. Capital city in Europe, many rough dey there. Talk about all those, I don't want measure am. And to the jump train, metro, mostly metro, no. At least if you stay scared of Paris, you fit enter bus. It dey calm, it cool. No because of the bill, oh. No. If you stay capital city, you dey see money now. You dey see money, you dey see your work, you dey work your work. But once you don't start up your children, so that your children your brain also go calm. I no advise you to stay capital city. No be because of say you want belong. No.
Most of you are not.
No.
Most of you are not
just go stay
scared. So let's not be deceiving ourselves.
So that your children's school, everything, you know, I don't know. Our asket of city self, it be like Abuja. Yes, now, quote me for anywhere. You see my place now, you use here to compare Abuja self. I bet me we call it a day, oh. My sister, I no agree for this one. Capital city. How many of us they stay capital city? Me, I don't want to stay capital city to Paris. I bet if the devil dash me, I don't want to stay there. I bet my people, how not think this thing? May una drop na comment in the comment section. Wait till una think, oh. And I wait till our sister Dyna Ekwueme drop. I see me, I see drop for una. See her, see they lament. And I'll see you in my next video. Una ciao. Una go wash am. Ciao.
We don't cast. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.